And we're back. The last 30 minutes have been spectacular. Just, you know, winds pick up 1 minute, they're very calm the next. Amazing. Amazing. Oh, this is just amazing. This is where, you know, it's like, you know, at the atmosphere, Mother Nature, where amazing happens. NBA, they can say where amazing happens all they want. I know where the real amazing stuff happens. Don't be shy, come out. Come on. Alright, Sky, we need some more streaking. You can see a tower over there. You can see the tower. See the tower over there. We just need some lightning to come out, like, right now. Right, 10 seconds. Lacey, come, Lacey. I got her.